This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and kind of something crazy that was pointed out to me, and I can't believe I didn't notice it before. But somebody tried prying the emblem off my car, or it may have been done at the body shop. I'm not 100% sure, but let's take a look at this. As you can see, somebody actually bent the goddamn emblem. I don't know if it was the body shop. I'm not going to blame them. If my car was parked out somewhere, maybe somebody tried prying it off, but that's ridiculous. But I got myself a new emblem. And this official Lamborghini package is another hood badge, which I'll attempt to remove the other one using this plastic wedge. So here we got the new emblem on, and it's looking great. Just one thing that I wanted to show you guys real quick, because I wasn't able to show you how this goes on, is there is this little stud here which you're going to remove, and at that point, if you're looking to remove the emblem, once you take this little nut off, push up on this, and then what will end up happening is the emblem will lift. At that point, once it starts lifting, you can kind of get under there with a special tool like I was showing you earlier. But that's pretty much in a nutshell how you change it. Just be extremely careful cleaning up the glue. The glue's going to come off the back, and I'll show you guys the old. There's the old badge to the left and the new one to the right. You can see this thing's all just bent up and just messed up. That's why I ended up taking it off. Actually, I'm going to give this to a pretty loyal follower of ours, so I'll drop that off with him soon. Now here's the really interesting thing, what I think happened. I don't know 100% for sure, but on the hood badge, basically it's just a thin piece of metal. It's very cheap and flimsy with a plastic insert. The stud actually came out of this part. This was cracked. I did not crack this removing it. What I think happened was the body shop over-tightened that nut on the other side of the bonnet, ended up cracking it. It started to lift, and then it looked the way it did. Crazy. And that's how you change a Lamborghini emblem on a Murcielago. I believe it's also the same on the Gallardo. So there you go. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.